Hi, I'm Ashu Dutt, as usual, bringing you the secrets on investing, trading, technical charts, futures and options, and commodities. Well, 30 days to trading in futures and options is what I'm going to discuss. You know, it's easy enough. You can go on the internet and you can get tons of information on, you know, all these put calls, bull spreads, X spreads, butterfly spreads, what have you. But you realize how meaningless it is, right? I mean, you know, most of us don't end up making any money in futures and options, and when the losses accumulate, they're huge. It doesn't have to be that way. Actually, futures and options can make you a ton of money. You don't need money, that's not the issue. And of course, you have the leverage, which means with 10-20% of your own money, you know, you can actually invest way beyond that. But that's the trick. If you master it, then it becomes your sword. If you don't master it, then it becomes the sword that comes after you. And that's what I will do in 30 days. You know, we will talk about futures, options, call options, put options, short-term options, index futures, resistance, support, accumulation, bull markets, bear markets, sector rallies, how to play futures and options in all this, how to take profits run, you know, the volume and the liquidity, buying on news, financial results. But we'll not get into technicals. I'm not going to give you any charts that show you, okay, now, you know, here's the maximum loss. It's a waste of time. This particular course is meant for those of you who are either doing futures and options or have decided that you want to get into futures and options and you want to master them. It has a lot to do with your self-control. It has a lot to do with how to use money. So what topic do we pick today? Well, why don't we try and take a look at how do we pick stocks for futures and options. And so, you know, when you're picking stocks for futures and options, remember, it's not a question of just the momentum, which is all that we deal with in technical charts or in trading. It's a question whether that direction that you're looking for is going to come in 7 days or in 30 days. Because remember, the option is going to expire, and also the future has, you know, time value, and if it goes the other way, you're going to start getting a lot of calls from your broker in terms of making, you know, margin payments. So we need to find a stock which has a lot of momentum. Look at a 7-day chart. Then look at a 30-day chart, then look at a 1-day chart. See that the momentum is continuing. So the best indication is the 30-day chart shows strong momentum. The 7-day chart shows even momentum increasing from the 30 days, which means the price is increasing and the volume is increasing. And then you look at the 1-day chart, see that it's running into a freeze. When you find a stock like that, that's an ideal stock to pick for futures and options. Then you can buy an option because you can get out in 2 days or 3 days and you can use the margin. Now, the very important part here that if you buy 5 stocks and you're wrong on 4 stocks, don't get into an ego battle. If it starts going the wrong way in options because of the leverage or because of the margin, your losses start to multiply. Close the position. Close the position. If the stocks are not going your way in futures and options, this is not the time to pontificate and think of how great your thinking was. Just get out. Keep that one which is going your way. Trust me, that one profit will make up for your 4 losses. That's how we pick stocks for futures and options. There are 30 different things, 30 different master strategies that you will learn in Ashu Dutt's 30 days in futures and options trading, or 30 days to become a futures and options trader. You can take the full video course that's available on www.ashudutt.com, or you can take an online course with an online test. You can even take a certification in futures and options trading, all at www.ashudutt.com. Goodbye.